In the last few months, I have tested many generative AI tools and have created a list of 6 most valuable free AI tools that you can use today and will be insanely valuable for you, and that is what I will be talking about in this video. Generative AI has made headlines with tons of tools being released over the past year that can help people in their daily lives, some of which can be quite expensive. Coming in this video, I'll show you 6 useful AI tools that you can use for free. Hi everyone, welcome to your channel. You don't need to be an AI researcher or expert prompt engineer to benefit from these generative AI chatbots. The number 1 in my list is Bing Chat. Bing Chat. Bing Chat is Microsoft's search engine chatbot based on the GPT-4 LLM, which is available via a sidebar in the Edge web browser. With Bing Chat, you can enter search queries with text or images, or conduct a voice search, and Bing will respond with a written response or image, depending on your query. It uses training data connected to the internet, which means you can ask it questions about current events and news like a search engine. When responding, it also includes a list of sources and relevant links so that you can conduct further research into a given topic. The chatbot also has the ability to create AI-generate images upon request. The second is Bard. Bard. Google Bard is Google's conversational chatbot and AI assistant, which is built on the PaLM 2 LLM. The user interface is simple and easy to use. Just enter a query via text or voice, and Bard can respond with text, images, and videos based on content taken from Google search. Bard will respond to each prompt with 3 drafted responses, which you can change to get the most comprehensive response for your needs. It's also connected to the internet, meaning you can use it to summarize other online content and current events. The chatbot's integration with Adobe Firefly also means that it can be used to create AI-generated images. Jasper. This chatbot is designed to generate text that replicates a brand's tone of voice to create content for marketing collateral such as web pages, emails, adverts, sales listings, and blogs. You can craft the output response by entering a content description or brief and providing details on your tone of voice and what keywords you want to use. The key difference between Jasper and other tools, like ChatGPT and Bard, is that it focuses on producing marketing content rather than conversational text output. So if you want to write a blog post, you can use the Jasper AI. Quillbot. Quillbot is an AI assistant that uses natural language processing to process a piece of text and paraphrase it. Quillbot checks the content for grammar and suggests ways that it can be improved. Quillbot is a useful tool for those who want to produce and proofread personal and commercial content that's fluid and easy to read. Users can choose between paraphrasing text, summarizing written content, checking grammar, and generating citations based on their needs. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the most well-known AI chatbot on the market and is extremely easy to use. Simply enter a written query or prompt, press enter, and the solution will use natural language processing, NLP, to scan your input and generate a written response. When experimenting with ChatGPT, it's important to note that its training data only goes up to 2021, which means it doesn't have knowledge of dates or events that occurred after that. Likewise, it has a tendency to hallucinate or make up facts, so it's important to fact-check any information it gives you. DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 is an AI tool released by OpenAI in 2021, which uses GPT-3 and deep learning to convert text prompts into images. Simply create an account on the OpenAI website. Enter a prompt into the search bar, and DALL-E 2 will proceed to generate an image. The quality of the image output will largely depend on the depth of your initial prompt, so it's worth trying to give as much detail as possible for DALL-E 2 to process.